like to extend my welcome to our guest speaker, Mr. Sikandar Manihar. I now will welcome our dignitaries of our college, Dean of Academics and Head of VCT Texas Instrument Innovation Lab, Dr. Vikas Gupta, ECEL Coordinator, Mr. Chandan Kolvankar, and Shaista Khanam ma'am. So, talking about ECEL or Entrepreneurship Cell, it was formed in year 2015 with an objective of fostering entrepreneurship skills among the students of VCAT. It is a student-driven and faculty-guided cell striving for channelizing the competences of budding engineers. This cell aims at bringing out the hidden potential of the budding professionals with the virtue of serving the society. Now talking about the Texas Instruments Lab. Texas Instruments Innovation Lab is dedicated to supporting educators, researchers, and students in facilitating the inclusion of TI analog and embedded processing in engineering classrooms, teaching, and research labs. It organizes seminars, exams, and workshops for the students to make them industry ready. Now, I would request Dean of Academics and Head of VCT Texas Instrument Innovation Lab, Dr. Vikas Gupta, to enlighten us with his thoughts.
Thank you, Vidit. I welcome Mr. Sikandar for this webinar on behalf of my management, Vidyavardhani's management and our principal. It is a good thing that you are giving time on a Saturday and you are enlightening our students to the most important thing that engineers should learn, that how to develop a product. So we are all learning in academic mode. We are doing academic things. We are doing some practicals, which are verification of some principles. Okay, so and also we are doing some projects. But normally we are not thinking of going till the product line, that how this product will look like, or we're not that much thinking from the product point of view, especially the core branches. Even in the software also, we'll feel that we are making some algorithm software, some solutions we are giving, but we are not packaging it like a product. So our thinking is now changing with the efforts of ECEL and also the Texas Innovation Lab. We are doing a lot of activities. So our focus in VSET is now to focus on students to think over that something they're doing, they should think that ultimately should result in a product. Okay. So first we are telling them to learn the steps. This seminar is also a series of enlightening our students with the process. The process is not that much complicated as we are thinking as teachers previously also. We were also lagging in developing the products because of our routine academic programs that we are learning and delivering. But this is changing now, and in VSET we are initiating this efforts that the projects and whatever concepts or innovation that we are thinking ideas, let us go till the product level, at least till the prototype. At least they can go here. So our Dean Startup and Incubation, Dr. Shafi Patan, is also joined today. So that is also effort for our VSET, a sincere effort that we are being now. Next step after product will be the startup and incubation thing. So the college is proposing, and shortly we will be coming up with a scheme of offering our students and the society the startups and incubation facility in VSET. So thank you once again, Sikandar sir, Dr. Pathan, and Shaista Khan madam for her continuous efforts for the students. She's so active that we have to be active because she is active. Okay, so that is the
Thank
thing.
you, sir.
She is a forcing factor for all of us, and the students are following her like a bagpiper. Okay, so students are following what Shaista madam is saying. So it's good that madam is taking a lot of interest in these ECEL activities along with Texas Instrument Innovation Laboratories. So I hope that this will definitely be materialized soon. So thank you very much, ma'am,
Thank
for
you, sir.
inviting
Thank you, sir.
me.
Yes. And thank you for your support, sir, because I know that if I come up with any idea, you are there to support me. I can do, along with Chandan sir and you, sir. I'm having a right key. I think I want to do that. I'll get the means I myself only I decide I want to do this, I'll get the permission. So that is a big thing for me. Thank you so much.
Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your thoughts. Now, I would request ECEL member and coordinator of VCT Texas Instrument Innovation Cell, Ms. Shaista Khan, to kindly say a few words.
So a very good morning to all of you. So as we see in a market day by day, products are coming in a market, and any product can hit the market. So we also thought of why not our students, as Gupta sir also said, we are always making a project, but we are not concentrating how we can convert it into product. And many times we are making a prototyping, but product is something different. So this time we thought why not concentrate on product instead of, along with the project, along with the following the guidelines of the academics, we can convert it into product. So hence we ECEL and Texas Instruments Innovation Lab has combined and has planned a series of light camera startup series with interesting and amazing sessions by well-known speaker. And along with this, ECEL is also planning. See, every year we have a plan of business plan competition, BizMaster year end. But along this year, we are planning along with the business plan competition, we are planning for product competition, so that we are starting with this series. So at the year end, we can come up with some product, and you can compete in a college, and you can launch in a market also. Now, Texas Instruments has combined with ECEL because Texas Instruments is technically supporting. We have kits, we have training, we have expert, and so we can support all the students so that they can convert your project into product. So thank you so much, and we expect all the students to work accordingly, and by the end of this year we expect at least one entrepreneur. I can say minimum at least one entrepreneur and one product I should have more, but minimum one product and one entrepreneur should come out of this college. So thank you so much, Manyar sir, that you are over here and you are giving. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your valuable insights, ma'am. So, as we all know, startup are at its peak today. To keep you all informed about the entrepreneurship world, ECEL and Texas Instrument Innovation Lab have come together to give us a webinar series, Lights Camera Act Startup Season 1. In this season, we will call upon some industry experts to enlighten us all about the startups, its detail and journey throughout. Now, I would like to welcome our esteemed speaker for today's event, Mr. Sikandar Manihar. He has completed his BTech in Electronics and Electrical Engineer in year 2004. Currently, he is Chief Technical Officer at ZS Microtech Private Limited and is also a director at Fox Domotics Private Limited, where he is responsible for product research, development, marketing, and channel sales establishment. So guys, let's keep this session interactive. I would request you all to put your questions in chat box or unmute yourself. Without any further delay, I would like to call upon the dais Mr. Sikandar Manihar. Sir, all yours.
Thank you, Vidit Seth, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So once again, good morning, all the students. This will be more of an interactive session. So if anybody, anytime, any question, they can interrupt me. Okay. So this whole session is about research and development and developing a new product, right? We hear so many things from the Western world, like you get the name of Apple CEO, you get the name of Microsoft, you get the name of Elon Musk right now. EV, electric vehicle is, but you see hardly few names coming from India, right? So now the government has started a good initiative with startup program. And now with the idea of that, lots of engineers and MBA graduate, they are moving towards like creating new products or new services and getting into the market. Okay, so now I will like to how to develop a new product. That is very, very important. And always many times people start with something and then they reach up to the final stage, and then they come to know that okay, arey yaar, this product will not be suitable for the market, or better product is available in the market. So before starting any particular research and development for any particular product, it's very, very important you follow at least these 4 steps. I'll just mention the step 1 that is very, very important: idea generation and screening. Idea generation and screening means like you come up with the idea, okay, I want to make XYZ product. Okay, so now before jumping onto the development and the prototype and the like, always the students or the people who are developing a new product or who want to become an entrepreneur, they forgot to actually do the research and analysis of that particular product. Is it valuable for the market? Because we are developing any product for the consumer, right? You and me and all the consumer, all the whole India, whole world, they are going to use that product, right? So now it's very, very important to research the market before starting up any new product. Okay, it doesn't matter your product which you are starting, it is available in the market or not. If it is available in the market, that is the base point for your starting. Okay, so it is good for you if something is, if you are designing a new product which is already available in the market. So if you are designing the new product which is already available in the market, you have to first research that product and get down the list of features which that product offers to the customer. Okay, so now you have the benchmark, like, okay, this is the minimum feature which is already available. If you design any product less than that, obviously your product will not, you will fail. Once you launch in the market, obviously better product is there in the market, your product will fail. So you have to, if any product which is already available in the market, it's very, very important that you list out the features and what improvement you can make into it, what extra features you can give into it. That is very, very important. That will make your product more friendly to the customer. The customer gets more new features, and that should be valuable features, not like, okay, you add on just one feature and say that it is good. It doesn't work in the market. So first of all, if you are designing a product which is already available in the market, you have to study that product and you have to design a product which is much better than that with more add-on features, right? That is the number 1. And if you number 2, if you are designing a something new product which is not available in the market, then the roadmap and the process of screening that product is different, right? Because that product does not exist in the market, right? So first you need to take your idea, note down your idea, note down your features, because it's entirely new, nobody know about it. So now you have to take that particular idea to various people, take a survey from like, if the product is for the industry, you take it from the industry. It is for a consumer market, then take the update from the consumer market. Okay, these are the new product which I am designing, and this is how it will solve your problem. See, any product, if it does not solve any problem, so there are more likely chances that it will fail when it comes to the commercial launching. Okay, so always idea generation and screening. Idea, you generate an idea, then you screen it before starting the step 2. Okay, so this is the first part, and in this also there are 2 steps. Like, one, product already exists, you are upgrading that product, and the second is entirely new product, it does not exist in the market. So the approach for both is different. Second, you take the business case and reviews. Okay, now I would like to brief you something about what are the different market segments which exist into the market, the whole world, right? Like, if you talk about your mobile phone, this is a consumer market. Okay, every person have a mobile. Okay, laptop, mobile, electronic devices, TV, these are consumer market. Okay, then there are second which is industrial. Industrial in the sense like your factories, they require lots of technology. Now every factory is automated. So every factory is running. If you visit a car manufacturing company, 80% is automated. Only 20% is done by manual. Rest everything is automated. So factory automation, that is one we call industrial product, consumer product, industrial product. Then we have obviously military. The second world's, if you talk about, they are the high after consumer and industrial, military is the biggest consumer of electronics, right? Today you see the drone, you see the camera, you see thermal camera, you see lots of equipment is required in the military segment. Okay, so that is one different type of product which is required by them. Now there is another segment which is coming very, already it is popular, but earlier it was only by the government. Now the private players are playing a major role into it, that is space. So space segment is another segment which is added into it. So now we have 4 segments, right? Consumer, you have industrial, then you have military, and then you have a space. Okay, the product for all these segments are different. If you go and research and you find out that commercial product are different, industrial product are different. If they have the same feature, still they are different. Military is different and space is different, because everybody requirement is different. Space will have some different requirement. They have to go into the space in a harsh condition. They have to go under minus temperature in the space. So that product will be totally, even camera is totally different, even the lens is totally different. Whatever XYZ, each small component is different for the space. For military, it is different, because military person has to operate on 0 degree in the Siachen, then they have to -0 in Siachen, then they have to operate in the Rajasthan. That is a worst dry climate. So it has to operate in marine, in the dry climate, in the extreme minus temperature. Okay, so that product, now equipment they are carrying, it should work on all these 3 conditions, right? So in military grade is different. Industrial, if your industry is working on completely on an automated system platform, what happens if one component or one sensor or one particular device fails? The entire assembly line is stopped unless and until it is repaired. So it is highly critical task. Okay, so industrial grade products are different from consumer grade product, and that's why they are more costly. Consumer, now lowest, that is and consumer is very big in the sense like 1 crore, we have more than 100 crore, 1.25 crores, 125 crores is the India population, right? So anything required will be in that number. If we talk about the whole world, a huge number is required, right? So consumer market is very big. Okay, so now anything you design for consumer, it is specific to that region. Okay, so it is not the condition for designing a product for a consumer. It is much easier as compared to other. You have to, like, for anything like vehicle for India and vehicle for Canada, where there is -degree temperature, there are difference in the car. Okay, so there are few differences, but for anything manufactured in India, you can use anywhere in India. Okay, or you can use in Asia country. That's so consumer is not products has not to, they don't have to work in a harsh condition or changing condition. So that is not taken into the mind while designing the consumer product. Okay, so now you need to choose what type of product you are among these 4 category, what type of product you are going to make. If you are going for a consumer grade product, you have to look for the cost, you have to choose the component accordingly, and all the electronic component, because if you study, if you study Texas Instrument microcontroller, now they have the consumer grade, then they have industrial grade, then extended temperature range, any microcontroller, if you take, you find all this flavor. Then they have military grade. They have automatic grade as well. Automotive requires something different. So automatic grade the microcontrollers are different from normal industrial grade product. Okay, so they have all different. This same chip is available in these 3-4 flavors. Okay, so accordingly you have to choose, and the price, there is a difference in prices also. So you have to first choose the product which for whom you are designing. Then you have to choose the component accordingly, and then go ahead. Okay, now in development, first and second we have discussed that a business case and review. Now the third is development and testing. Once you list out all the features, what features you are giving, if you are designing an existing product, you will have the feature list. Okay, if you are designing an entirely new product, still you will first note down what features you are going to give. Okay, so now according to your feature, your hardware will be decided. Okay, so you have to decide your hardware, do development and testing, prototyping, and all different types of stuffs. Okay, then see, in a product, it's a complete package. Generally, as an engineer, we are expert in designing hardware, right? But that is not a product. Actually, hardware is not a product. As a consumer, if I give you the PCB of mobile phone, and I say, yeah, you can operate without the casing, without the look and feel, complete package. If I don't give the complete package, nobody will take it, right? So always a product is complete package. As an engineer, you decide the hardware, you decide the features, software, whatever is IoT software, whatever is required, embedded software, you do that. But unless you don't make a complete package, the product will not work in the market. So I'll note down later, I'll complete the one last point, and then I'll note down what are the key points which is required to make a complete product. Without that, product is incomplete. Okay, so development testing, you develop, test, and do one round, second round, third round, keep on improving the product, and finally you reach at a stage, okay, this is the final product, and it's ready to launch. So last and final point, that is commercialization and launch. That is very important. This is actually a marketing aspect of the product. See, if you any new car comes into the market, or any new mobile comes into the market, how do you come to know? The company does a launch, does a commercialization, like marketing. They do advertisement, they do social media advertisement. They reach to the people, because if you make a product and if nobody knows, how will he buy? So it is the like company has to plan that, okay, we have the product, we have a solution for a particular problem for a consumer. Now we had made that product. Now let's make it available and awareness is very important. So let us make awareness to all the consumer, so that they can come to know, okay, this product is there for this particular problem. Okay, so now if the consumer knows, then automatically the demand will come. Okay, so pricing, there are a lot of aspects into it. Pricing should be right, packaging should be right, product should work perfectly well. So there are a lot of other aspects, but commercialization and launch is very, very important stage of the product. You may have the best product in the world, but you may fail because nobody knows about it. And if somebody, suppose so many people require that, but they don't know. So if they don't know, they will not buy. Okay. So these are the 4 points, which is very, very crucial: idea generation, screening, business case and review, development and testing, and finally commercialization and launch. So for any new product, you have to follow these particular 4 steps. Students, if you have any questions, I'm ready to answer that. Then I'll give you the brief about while you are designing a product, why only just a PCB or just an electronic circuit is not a product. I'll give you and what are required steps which you have to follow before like it is a complete package.
Yeah, students, you can unmute and you can ask your questions. Is anyone is having any question? See, be interactive.
Students, can anybody tell me like अभी अगर जो if I talk about everybody know about mixture, right? घर में जो किचन में रहता है ना मिक्सचर,
Yes, sir.
सबको पता है, राइट?
Yes, sir.
एक ही आवाज आ रही है, बाकी सब सुन रहे कि नहीं सुन रहे?
Yes, sir.
ओके, मिक्सचर पता है ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अभी ऑल मोस्टली जो गर्ल स्टूडेंट है उन्होंने तो यूज भी किया होगा और सम बॉयज भी यूज किए होंगे मे बी. अभी if you remember right now Bosch has launched a new mixture. आप अगर जो एक मिक्सचर ही लॉन्च करते हो, नया एक मिक्सचर लॉन्च करते हो, तो क्या वो मार्केट में चलेगा? स्टूडेंट्स,
Don't know, sir.
सर समथिंग डिफरेंट और यूनिक होगा तो ही चलेगा.
तो ही चलेगा. तो अब यूनिक क्या करोगे? कुछ सोचा है?
कुछ हैशल फ्री यूनिक.
Yes, Manav.
अभी देखो बॉश ने ना फूड प्रोसेसर लॉन्च किया. डू यू नो व्हाट इज फूड प्रोसेसर? स्टूडेंट्स,
Yes, sir.
फूड प्रोसेसर पता है क्या है? क्या करता है वो?
Yes, Manav, you can speak. You unmute and please speak.
All in one, sir.
मतलब ऑल इन करता क्या है वो?
सर चॉपिंग
फूड बनाता है वो. हाँ, मतलब खाना प्रिपेयर करने से पहले जो हाउसवाइफ है घर के अंदर या किचन में जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, या मुझे ही खाना बनाना है अगर तो मुझे ना कांदा काटना होगा, राइट? उसके बाद है ना टमाटर, आलू, ये सारी चीजें काटनी होगी, बराबर है. मिक्सचर का एक ही काम था, वो है चटनी पीसना, राइट? मसाला पीसना. बट बोश ने उस चीज को, मिक्सचर को ही फूड प्रोसेसर का नाम दिया, रीइन्वेंट किया.
हाँ
और
सर, उसमें
उसके बाद उन्होंने वो सारी चीजें जो मैनुअल हो रही थी, चॉपिंग का आपका काम, कटिंग का आपका काम, कांदा काट, वो दालों काट के दे देगा आपको, पूरा का पूरा चॉप करके दे देगा, राइट? डिफरेंट टाइप्स में बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं. सो आपका प्रोडक्ट आइडिया कैसा होना चाहिए? एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट को इंप्रूव किया गया. ये मेरा एग्जांपल था जो टाइप 1 प्रोडक्ट, जो अगर जो आप एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट को इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं. अब फूड प्रोसेसर चटनी पीसने का काम तो कर ही रहा है ना?
यस
कर रहा है, राइट? तो जो काम हो रहा था वो तो हो रहा था, बट उसने अदर 4 प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व किए उसने, और एक ही पैकेज में उसने दे दिया, बोला ये लो फूड प्रोसेसर. उसमें जूस भी निकलता है. अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट. पहला जो मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था कि भाई एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट को आपको इंप्रूव करना है तो कैसे करना है, तो टेक दिस एग्जांपल. ये हर घर में मिलेगा अभी.
Yes.
अभी आप क्या, आपके मम्मी या अगर किचन में है तो उनको अगर जो बोलोगे आपकी नया मिक्सचर लेना है, तो वो यही बोलेंगे कि फूड प्रोसेसर लेना है, मिक्सचर नहीं लेना है,
Correct.
राइट? करेक्ट, अंडरस्टूड. ये पहला एग्जांपल था जो कि एग्जिस्टिंग को कैसे अपग्रेड करे. तो एग्जिस्टिंग को जब आप अपग्रेड करते हो तो जो एग्जिस्टिंग के जो उसके काम है वो आपको हटाना नहीं है, वो तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, प्लस और 4 फीचर उसमें आप ऐड करोगे. ठीक है? क्लियर है स्टूडेंट?
Yes, sir.
कुछ रिस्पॉन्स तो दो.
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
हाँ, अभी सेकंड एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. आपका मैंने सेकंड एग्जांपल क्या बोला आपको कि कोई नया ही आइडिया, एकदम नया ही, मतलब वो है ही नहीं मार्केट के अंदर। उसका हम कौन सा एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं? कैन एनीबॉडी गेस? एलन मस्क सुना है ना?
हाँ।
Yes, sir.
क्या किया उसने?
Autonomous.
SpaceX,
Electric.
टेस्ला।
स्पेसएक्स तो छोड़ दो अभी फिलहाल। सबसे पहला उसने क्या, टेस्ला के लिए पॉपुलर है ना वो,
यस
Electric
सर।
vehicles.
इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल। उसे कब स्टार्ट किया था? जब इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल था ही नहीं।
यस
सही है, सही है, राइट ना?
यस
तो वो न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, मतलब उसने टोटली वो टाइम पे स्टार्ट किया जब पेट्रोल डीजल कार्स ऑलरेडी मार्केट में डोमिनेट कर रहे थे। उसको ये मालूम था कि पेट्रोल एंड डीजल जो है आगे चल के खत्म हो जाएगा, और वो हम देख रहे हैं आप इंडिया में जो प्राइसेस है पेट्रोल एंड डीजल की, बराबर धीरे धीरे अनअफोर्डेबल में चले जा रहा है। सो लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर प्रॉब्लम्स। फिर उसने ये सोचा कि नहीं, वी शुड लाइक इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल के ऊपर उसने एक कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आया, उसने टेस्ला बनाया, एंड देन यू नो द रेस्ट, राइट? सो व्हाई आई टेक, सी एक मैंने बहुत बड़ा एग्जांपल लिया लाइक टेस्ला, वेयर यू रिक्वायर्ड ह्यूज फंडिंग, राइट स्टूडेंट्स?
यस सर।
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
टेस्ला करना है तो बहुत पैसा लगेगा ना?
हाँ.
यस
राइट ना? और अगर जो फूड प्रोसेसर बनाना है तो
कम लगेगा।
कम लगेगा, मतलब अफोर्डेबल है ना?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
और अगर जो ऑब्वियसली स्टूडेंट लेवल पे कुछ काम करना है तो हम टेस्ला पे तो काम नहीं कर सकते।
Yes.
उसके कुछ कंपोनेंट्स पे हम काम कर सकते हैं, ओके? लेकिन हम कुछ कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर अगर जो हम प्रोडक्ट बनाएं तो इजीली बन सकता है, ओके? और वो लेस कॉस्टली होगा, अफेयर होगा, प्लस वो टाइम फ्रेम भी बन सकता है। सेकेंडली वो चीज है ना एक स्टूडेंट लेवल पे काफी अच्छा रहेगा। तो प्रोडक्ट क्या बना रहे हो वो भी सेलेक्ट करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके? दोनों जो हमारे एग्जांपल्स थे वो समझ में आ गए सबको?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? अभी नेक्स्ट में आपको आई टेक द नेक्स्ट थिंग, लाइक व्हाट इज द कंप्लीट पैकेज ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट, ओके? सो व्हाट एग्जांपल शुड आई टेक, द फूड प्रोसेसर और द टेस्ला?
फूड प्रोसेसर। फूड प्रोसेसर।
फूड प्रोसेसर, ओके। सो फूड प्रोसेसर, अब नाउ फूड प्रोसेसर के अंदर देयर इज अ मोटर, और क्या क्या है बताओ बताओ जल्दी जल्दी।
Blender.
क्या है?
ब्लेड।
सॉरी?
ब्लेड ब्लेड।
ब्लेड, ब्लेड, ओके, ब्लेड, परफेक्ट। और क्या है?
मोटर।
Container.
मोटर तो ले लिया हमने,
Container.
मोटर ले लिया हमने। उसके अलावा उसकी केसिंग भी तो होगी ना, केसिंग, प्लास्टिक की जो पूरी केसिंग आती है।
यस। इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरिंग।
वायरिंग भी रहेगा, बट देयर विल बी एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट, राइट?
यस सर।
जो मोटर को कंट्रोल करेगा उसका स्पीड।
मोटर
अभी इसके
कंट्रोल
अंदर एक फूड प्रोसेसर के अंदर जब हम लोग प्रोसेस कर रहे होते हैं तो उसके अंदर है ना इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट के क्या क्या फीचर्स होने चाहिए? एक तो मोटर का स्पीड हो गया, राइट?
The different
Hello?
option selection.
टॉर्क।
हाँ, स्पीड, टॉर्क, ये सब पूरा आपको कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा।
Oh, sir, different options.
हाँ, डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस हैं उसके अंदर,
उसके लिए
ओके?
switching
उसके बाद स्विचेस हैं वहां पे, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट उसके अंदर एक थर्मोस्टेट लगा हुआ रहता है, जो कि आपका मोटर ओवरहीट, मतलब आप लगातार यूज करोगे तो हीट भी होगा वो मोटर, तो उसमें एक थर्मोस्टेट कंपलसरी लगा हुआ रहता है। और पुराने मिक्सचर्स में तो आते ही हैं, जब वो ओवरहीट हो जाता है तो ट्रिप हो जाता है, उसके बाद नीचे से एक बटन पुश करना पड़ता है, एंड सो ऑन। इट्स अ सेफ्टी फीचर कि मोटर जल ना जाए, ओके? स्टूडेंट, समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को?
सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सो अब नाउ एक तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का फीचर हो गया, स्पीड टॉक, डिफरेंट ये स्विचेस, उसके बाद थर्मोस्टेट, एंड अगर जो डिस्प्ले वगैरह डालना है तो आप डिस्प्ले भी डाल सकते हो, बट मिक्सचर में आई डोंट थिंक सो पीपल विल प्रेफर डिस्प्ले। ओके, तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एक पार्ट हो गया जो आपका डोमेन है, राइट? यू ऑल आर इंजीनियर्स, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो नाउ योर डोमेन इज, तो ये तो आप बना लोगे बहुत इजीली। व्हाट विल बी डूइंग फॉर द केसिंग? देन वी रिक्वायर अ मोटर। अब ऑब्वियसली जो मैकेनिकल सेगमेंट और इलेक्ट्रिकल सेगमेंट जो है वो लोग मोटर्स डिजाइन कर सकते हैं, बट मोटर ऑब्वियसली फैक्ट्री में बनेगा। देयर आर फैक्ट्रीज अवेलेबल हियर इन वसई इटसेल्फ जो मोटर्स बनाते हैं, और देयर आर फ्यू फैक्ट्रीज इन बैंगलोर जो अच्छे गुड क्वालिटी के मोटर्स बनाते हैं। तो ऑब्वियसली वो कंपोनेंट आपको सोर्स करना पड़ेगा, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ब्लेड जो है मेटल पार्ट है, जितने भी मेटल पार्ट है, चाहे स्क्रू हो चाहे ब्लेड हो, वो सब आपको कहीं ना कहीं से सोर्स करना पड़ेगा। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज केसिंग। एक कहावत है ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है।
Yes, sir. Aesthetic अच्छा होना चाहिए.
एस्थेटिक अच्छा होना चाहिए,
Yes, sir.
अच्छा होना चाहिए। प्लस है ना जो ढांचा है, देखो ढांचा जो है ना वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि अभी फूड प्रोसेसिंग में आप है ना चीजें बदली करेंगे, मतलब हाउसवाइफ हैड टू चेंज द थिंग, राइट? उसका ऊपर का जो ट्रे आता है, जो कप मग टाइप का होता है, उसमें छोटा बड़ा सब अलग अलग साइजेस के आते हैं। तो इट शुड बी इजी, मतलब उसमें कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का कोई काम नहीं है, वो मैनुअल है, बट इट शुड बी इजी टू चेंज, राइट? तो जो केसिंग का डिजाइन है दैट इज वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एंड अगर जो ये सब कंप्लीट हो गया तो एक प्रोडक्ट तैयार हो गया।
Yes, sir.
फिर उसके बाद उसकी पैकेजिंग, यूजर मैनुअल एंड पैकेजिंग और यूजर मैनुअल कर दिया, रेडी टू सेल इन द मार्केट। कुछ समझ में आया आप लोग को?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इज वन पार्ट ऑफ द एंटायर प्रोडक्ट।
Sir, may I
Okay.
ask a question?
या प्लीज।
सर आपने फूड प्रोसेसर का एग्जांपल दिया, नाउ अभी उसमें बहुत सारे फीचर्स रहते हैं अलग अलग, सो हाउ डू यू बिफोर डिजाइनिंग द ऑल द components that will be required, how do you define them first of all? Like we said that we want to design a food processor, we want many different features, so how do you go on to define those features first, then do the research and designing?
सी फीचर्स रिसर्च से ही आपको पता चलता है कि क्या फीचर्स हमें देना चाहिए। एक तो जनरल फीचर है, लाइक इफ यू टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ फूड प्रोसेसर, तो आई विल नॉट डू मच ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, ऑलरेडी फूड प्रोसेसर मार्केट में अवेलेबल है। तो इफ इट इज अवेलेबल, आई विल टेक देयर मैनुअल, आई विल नोट डाउन ऑल द फीचर्स, ओके, एंड आई गेट टू नो कि मुझे ये तो बेयर मिनिमम फीचर है जो मुझे देना ही देना है। तो स्टडिंग a competitor's product is always good when you are designing a product, right? If it product already exists, every company does that, okay? So because उससे बेहतर बनाना है तो पहले उसका जो फीचर है वो तो सब लाना ही पड़ेगा ना हमको, understood?
Yes, sir.
So that is the first part. अगर जो आप entirely new product बना रहे, which is not available in the market, then you have to like you jot down the different types of features. Okay, this should be there, this should be there, this should be there, this should be there, because the product does not exist. So now you are designing, you will start with some features, okay, then that will be phase 1. So you will give like 10 features in phase 1, then that product will come, it will go into the market, or it will go to some few people, they will use it, they will recommend it. Like okay, there is this feature is useless, you remove this, you add 2-3 features. So that is round 1, round 2, round 3, it goes on. See, Tesla has gone so lot many testing. Today they are into the market, but they have done years of testing. So year of testing, why it is required? Because it was new, entirely new, and Tesla was never in the car market, so they have to design each and everything. They have to take help from the vendors, like tire vendors, different types of vendors who are supporting them. Okay, so they have to take help from each and every person. Okay, so now when we are designing a food processor today, food processor is already available in the market. So if we are making something same product, so we first will take their features, study, note out all the features of them, and then we'll add on what we can do. That we have to put our brain into it, what new features we can give into it. Now, how to get the features, right? Who are going to use this particular food processor? Obviously the housewife, the kitchen, whoever is cooking, either is male or female, that doesn't matter. Now they are the best people to tell you, okay, उनकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. हम जब कोई प्रोडक्ट देते हैं तो किसी का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं, राइट, विद दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. सो हमें वी हैव टू इंटरेक्ट विद देम एंड व्हाट प्रॉब्लम दे आर फेसिंग. अभी एग्जिस्टिंग जो फूड प्रोसेसर है उसके अंदर व्हाट प्रॉब्लम दे आर फेसिंग, यू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम, दे विल stop taking that product, they will take your product. Hope this answers question.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Anybody else?
So I also have one question.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so after starting a production line, how should one approach to the vendor for selling their products? Like it should be a wholesale way or a retail way?
There are different types of product. The consumer market, consumer product, it is chain structure. But consumer market, like you have direct selling as well, and there are indirect selling through channel. Channel is dealer, distributor, and then there will be a distributor, then there will be a dealer or retailer, and then consumer will take the goods from the retailer and dealer. Okay, distributor, they are the stockist. Okay, so they are between the company and the retailer. Okay, so now this is one method, that is like through the channel. And another method is direct selling, which you buy Redmi mobile directly from the Redmi itself on the Amazon platform, right? So there are different types of online platform where you can put your product. But all in all, is very important that consumers should know that, okay, this new product has come. Okay, so to make that awareness, that is the marketing part. That is very, very important.
Okay, yes, sir. So, sir, in selling the products, the marketing plays an important role. That's true. But what type of for a small scale product, like small scale industries, what would you advise? Like we should go for an online based servicing and marketing, or like the channelized one as you suggested?
I will suggest both, right? So see, if you are as a marketing strategy, I will go for the both the thing, right? And even at the initial stage, you will go to direct customer also. It doesn't matter. At the end, you have to work on all the methods possible, which is available in the market. See, if you talk about any particular product, it's either big brand or small brand. They are directly also selling. They are also selling. If you go on the Apple, you can directly buy from the Apple itself, right? So that is direct selling, right?
Yes.
Then you can go in the Apple store. That is through some channel partner or something like that. So you can buy from there. You can buy online. But Apple is big. So now if you are starting, so if you have a customer, like obviously you will sell them directly as well. So you will initially, when you are starting, you will adopt all the different methods which is available in the market. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Thank
You will work on all methods, right? You cannot say that I will work on this method and later on I will work on this method. That will actually extend your time. So you will work on all method. You never know which method works. After you come into the market, you work on all the methods. Whatever method works well for you, you go ahead with that. Marketing is continuous process. Continuous means, see, product development is one-time process. Then improvement is like version 1, version 2, version 3. Improvement is there, right? Okay. But marketing is continuous. Every month you have different strategies. Every here in India, you have different festive. There are always different strategies coming into the market. Okay, every month.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
हेलो सर। सर जैसे कि आपने
Anybody,
बोला
any
कि
other question?
हेलो सर।
Yes, sir. Sir, Ganesh is
please.
asking question. Ganesh,
Sir,
what?
as per you said that assembly line stop, manufacturing stop. सर तो फिर इसकी वजह से सर कंपनी को सर बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है ना, और उसके शेयर्स को भी। तो
Sorry.
सर जैसे कि आपने बोला ना असेंबली लाइन स्टॉक हो जाता है तो कंपनी का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑल्सो स्टॉप हो जाता है।
Yes. For
हाँ
large industries, yeah.
या सर तो फिर इसका सर कंपनी के ऊपर सर बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है, राइट सर?
Yeah, of course.
या सर तो सर आपको क्या लगता है कि कंपनी ने ऐसा मोर ह्यूमन पावर रखे या लेस रोबोट पावर रखे, या फिर दोनों को सर इक्वली रखे?
अभी आप ये बताइए, रोबोट चीप है या ह्यूमन चीप है?
फिलहाल तो सर ह्यूमन, आई थिंक सो।
ह्यूमन, ओके। अच्छा एक बात बताओ, तुम एक रोबोट खरीदते हो, राइट?
राइट सर।
ओके, तुम्हारे आपके घर में ना कोई काम करने के लिए आता होगा, राइट? हाउसमेड है या जो भी है, ठीक है?
यस सर।
अभी उसकी जगह पे आपने रोबोट रख दिया,
यस सर।
राइट? तो रोबोट तो वन टाइम यू परचेज, राइट?
यस सर।
और जो ह्यूमन है उसको एवरी मंथ सैलरी देना होता है। दैट इज नंबर 1। तो ह्यूमन आर एक्सपेंसिव, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है वर्ल्ड के अंदर। सेकंड, ये पहला पॉइंट है। सेकंड पॉइंट ये कि ह्यूमन की जो आउटपुट कैपेसिटी है दैट इज लेस देन रोबोट, राइट? जो स्पीड से काम करते हैं रोबोट और जिस प्रिसिशन से काम करते हैं रोबोट, वो आप ह्यूमन से, ऑब्वियसली ह्यूमन हैव देयर ओन प्रिसिशन, बट ऑब्वियसली हमको सोने के लिए चाहिए, हम थक जाते हैं, राइट? एवरी 8 आवर्स की ड्यूटी होती है। आपको इंडस्ट्रियल का अगर जो लॉ पता होगा तो 1% ओनली 8 आवर्स, राइट? तो 24 घंटे काम करने तो 3 लोग लगेंगे ना एक दिन के अंदर। और रोबोट आपका जो है वो एक ही रोबोट कंटिन्यूअस, मतलब उसको जो टास्क दिया हुआ है वो कंटिन्यूअसली वर्क कर सकता है फॉर 24 आवर्स, 48 आवर्स। तो रोबोट लार्ज वॉल्यूम प्रोडक्शन, लाइक अभी कार है, अगर जो 1 लाख कार बनानी है पूरे साल के अंदर, तो डेली का कितना हुआ आपका? जस्ट कैलकुलेट। 1 लाख, अगर जो 1 लाख कार हमें एक साल में बनानी है तो हमें अप्रोक्सीमेटली 300 कार पर डे बनानी पड़ेगी, मोर देन 300। कहना ह्यूमन, मतलब फिर बहुत बड़ा फोर्स लगेगा उसको करने के लिए पर डे। तो
सर अंडरस्टूड सर, बट
आता है रोबोट की जरूरत होती है।
सर फॉर इनिशियल स्टेजेस,
इनिशियल नहीं जरूरत पड़ती। इट्स सी योर एज एन एसएमई, मतलब आप स्टार्टअप हो तो आप इनिशियली आपका जो सेल होगा उसके हिसाब से ही आप माल बनाओगे ना। और विल यू, इफ यू हैव 100 सेल यू विल प्रोड्यूस 100, इफ यू हैव 1000 यू विल प्रोड्यूस 1000। बट जैसे जैसे आपका प्रोडक्शन डिमांड बढ़ेगा उसी हिसाब से आप प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाओगे। तो इनिशियली जब लो वॉल्यूम है तो यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ मैनुअल लेबर, बट लेटर ऑन जैसे जैसे आपका प्रोडक्शन वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगा यू हैव टू गो फॉर द मशीन।
ओके सर।
So it all depends upon supply, demand, production, volume. Okay. Any other question?
Sir, I have a question. Okay.
Yeah.
So, sir, in a scenario when I'm building a very new product that is not available in the market, and it's a direct B2C business, I'm directly selling it to the customer. So, how do I get the feedback regarding the product itself?
See, when you are building an entirely new product, first note down create your idea generation and screening. That is the step 1. Idea generation, that is your idea. Now, obviously, screening means you screen, you give the idea, you take the expert, like the product is for, food processor is for the people who are cooking, right? So you have to take the now that product, obviously entirely new product, that will be also for somebody, right? Either
Yes, sir.
commercial or industrial, or for the office use, whatever you use, or home use. So you need to first get the people and take the feedback. Okay, I'm designing for this so and so product. It will solve your XYZ problem. Will you take it? Or what is your view on it? So you take 100, you meet 100 people, show your idea. Now collect all the data, that is screening part. Okay, collect all the data. Okay, and then you will get the idea that, okay, should I start or should not, or drop the project.
Yes, sir. But sir, this is nothing but a form of user acceptance, right? User acceptance testing.
Not exactly user acceptance. User acceptance, like anything like new technology, like people, the technology is good. Okay, like you call conferencing. People in India, we were not used to conferencing, but in corporates, conferencing was always there. It is nothing new. Only thing it went for the, like, after pandemic or during the pandemic, everybody were forced to come on this particular platform, but it was already there. Okay, so
Yes.
that is when you design a product, new product, like you first of all, you should know that like, okay, this product I am designing, is it for today, or is it for after 10 years or 5 years down the line? Like, when you always have to keep in mind कि ये प्रोडक्ट अभी का इस्तेमाल का चीज है, या आज से 5 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद, या कब लगेगा उसको वो चीज.
Yes, sir.
That is very, very important. I'll take a case. I'll explain you one case. Okay, you see India and China. The population is huge.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So do we have a problem for human labor?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. But now let's go to some other countries where there is no population. Okay, so you go to the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, you go to Japan. Everybody is highly qualified. They have money and they are like working for the corporates or something like that. They don't have manual labor, right? So they have two options, right? Either they go for the automation part, that is robotics and automation for most of the thing, okay, and or they hire human labor, right? So now,
Yes, sir.
if you go to all these countries, there you will see more automation in the house, in the office, or in the street, wherever you are going. But when you see here in India, you don't see those type of automation, because here since we have a huge number of human laborers, so right now it is not required. But still, there the condition is different. They have less human power, so they are relying more on the technology. Okay, so now what product you are making, you have to decide कि ये इंडिया के लिए है या फिर है ना, मतलब उस टाइप की कंट्रीज के लिए है, मतलब सब कुछ ध्यान में रखना पड़ता है.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, can you tell us that which startups are more successful, that bring a new product, an entirely new product, or the ones that improve existing products?
Anything.
So see, both are. You cannot say that this is successful or that is successful. All
Sir,
in all is
chances
like
of- meaning chances of the product succeeding. For which are
product. See, most of the company, if you see in the real, let's come to the real practical scenario. Okay, most of the company are like they have similar products, right? In TV, you will find 10, 15, 20 brands, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. In mobile phone also, there are so many brands. People coming, going. This all is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, just take the case of mobile phone. Earlier, there were different types of brand. Now there are so many different types, Oppo, Vivo, MI, all these new brands came like 6 years down the line. Earlier there was different brands. Okay. Now, if you see what is the market dominant, what is important, like if you existing product, if you are going to make and give, the most important thing is how you upgrade your product. Like, see, if any particular brand, if you bring one particular type of product, if you don't upgrade your product, because 4, 5, 6 different types of company all are working parallelly. Okay, so sometimes Samsung brings something new, MI brings something new, or XYZ. Every year Apple launches a new phone. Why? Because they want to keep be in the competition in the market. Okay, so they want to give new things to the consumer. Okay, consumer loves to buy. You're using one thing like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, you're fed up, right? So you always want something new. That is the strategy of human. Okay, so you always want something new. So whatever product you take, existing or new one, right, an entirely new concept, once the product is in the market, still you have to work to upgrade it, to give new look and feel, to give new features. Hope this answers your question.
Sir, but for investment wise, which one would be require more investment?
See, investment right now, it's a costly affair. Everything is costly affair. When I talk about commercialization and launch, that fourth part, development testing, that itself is a costly thing. You have to continuously go on doing development and testing, either in a small scale. See, when you are a startup, you have a small amount of money, right? Or you have no money. Okay. So don't think that if you don't have a money, you can't start up. But if you don't have money, it will take longer time. If you have money, the time can be little shorter. Okay, so it's all like how much money and how much time you are going to give. The time and money will decide actually how short period, how much short period of time your company gets hit, or it is recognized in the market. So money is very important role, but at the end of the day, development testing and commercialization and launch, that is the place where huge amount of money is required when you are doing this particular. Now there are lots of capital venture capitalists. They are investing into different startups. So people start with a idea, then they go with a product, they design the product. Now obviously when you are designing a product, you have to do lots of investment, right? Like casing, motor, blade, electronics, all are investment, right? So once the product is final, then you have to do commercialization and launch. So there is money involved.
Okay, sir.
Hope.
Yes, it was a good session. That means good interaction is going on.
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
I have a question. If I have a new product which is not present previously in the market, and there are no competitors, so how do I actually decide the MRP, or what are the things that I need to consider while deciding the MRP of my product?
See, if it is a new product, obviously your margin is very important. You don't have competitors, so you don't have a ballpark figure, and that is good. If you don't have a competitor, you don't have a like competition from other product, so you are supposed to decide your own MRP. So always like, see, when we place a product in a market, we make it economical, but we also take into consideration that there is a research and development and a lot of other expense has been done. So we calculate everything, and we recover, like there is always a, say, break-even point. We call about in either in a business or in a product, there is a break-even point. So I will recover, if I sell 1,000 pieces, I will recover the X amount. Okay, so which we have expend on it. Okay, so if I recover the whole expense, that is the break even point. So you have to decide like what is the market size. If market size is big, like it's going to sell in big number, then you can take big, keep the price low, and yeah, your break even point will be like say 1,000 pieces, 5,000 pieces, or 10,000 pieces. But if the market size initially is less, then you have to keep your break even point at 100 pieces or 50 pieces, and try to recover the cost as soon as possible, and then make profit, because you have to invest later on as well. So see, if we are into product manufacturing and selling, profit is very important. If you don't have profit, obviously your company will not last for longer. So you have to make money. Hope
Yes,
this
sir.
answers
Thank you.
your question.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Any further question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how to know that whatever idea or product that you are developing, it's something that consumers want?
You are also one of a consumer, right?
Yes, sir.
For consumer, it is very easy. You are also one consumer, right? So think as a consumer. For industrial, military, and the space, it is difficult, because for the industrial, each industry have their specific requirement. Like Tata कार बनाती है और Hyundai भी कार बनाती है, but Hyundai के फैक्ट्री में कुछ और मशीन होंगी और टाटा के फैक्ट्री में कुछ और मशीन होंगी, राइट? डिपेंडिंग अपॉन उनके मेथड ऑफ वर्किंग के ऊपर. तो इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स कुछ चीज स्टैंडर्डाइज होती है, जैसे मोटर कंट्रोल वगैरह जो है, और स्विचेस वगैरह जो आते हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल कंट्रोल स्विचेस जो आते हैं, दैट आर फिक्स. बट ऑल द ऑटोमेशन पार्ट आर डिफरेंट फॉर ईच एंड एवरी इंडस्ट्री. सो वहां पे स्पेसिफिक टू द इंडस्ट्री वी डिजाइन द प्रोडक्ट. बट व्हेन वी आर डिजाइनिंग प्रोडक्ट फॉर अ कंज्यूमर मार्केट, so obviously you are yourself a consumer, you can ask कि भाई ये चीज है, और फिर obviously see खुद का your baby, आपका खुद का बच्चा हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. when you are making a product, don't rely on कि मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, सबको अच्छा लगेगा. Take the opinion of hundreds of people around, and जो नेगेटिव दे रहा है उस पर ज्यादा गौर करो, जो पॉजिटिव दे रहा है. पॉजिटिव दिया तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा ना, तुम भी पॉजिटिव वो भी पॉजिटिव, उसको छोड़ दो. जो नेगेटिव दिया है उसके ऊपर ध्यान दो कि वो क्यों नेगेटिव बोल रहा है.
ओके सर.
जनरली पीपल है ना, जब खुद का प्रोडक्ट बनाते, जो नेगेटिव देता है उस पर ध्यान नहीं देते. डोंट लुक द पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव सबने दिया, तुमने भी पॉजिटिव हो, तभी तुमने वो प्रोडक्ट बनाया, राइट? सो ऑलवेज टेक नोट डाउन why 5 people are saying negative. Ask them the question why you are saying negative, and understand that, and if there is a true genuine thing, so you need to improve on that particular point, right?
Okay sir. Yes sir.
So after discussing about the products and how they are manufactured and the entire process.
Yes. 8 minutes. Okay, sir, after this question, sir, you will continue, no? You have some more points to discuss?
No, my almost that but both the part I have covered. Okay. Okay. So I have nothing more to say.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, Sikandar sir. Actually, it was a real input. Like most of the times, whatever we are saying, it is from the book only, sir. And the real problem, real challenges which can be seen, which can be faced while somebody or any student come into the market, a different scenario is present always in front of him at that time. And you are the only correct person who can say correctly, because searching a thing, studying from book, searching and then taking decision it is very different from directly interacting with the person who is working in that field and taking advice from him. So we are
Yeah,
very much
obviously.
thankful. We are very much thankful to you, sir. You are available for our students, for us also, and to go ahead, sir. We are very soon going to plan incubation and startup center at your college. So in that case, we will be seeking
Okay.
your help, sir, and
Mhm.
we will be reaching out to you, sir. So thank you very
No
much
issues.
once again, and I should congratulate to Shaista ma'am also for making this program, because making
Thank you,
any
sir.
program, lot many efforts are involved. I should congratulate to the student also, ECL student who were there behind her, continuously working behind the banner, and I congratulate to Rahul also because he has done very good part.
Yes,
So
thank you so much.
congratulations and thank you to all. Yes.
Yeah. And Sikandar sir has given means I have not committed him for a long back. Just I called him and he got ready and in a very short span of time. So sir, thank you so much. And you have given 1.5 hours, right? It's time exceeded, but thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir.
right.
Your
Yes.
time is more important. But sir, whatever we teach, but industry touch we can't give. Practical
Yes,
things
ma'am.
you can only clear.
Yeah, practical. See, we are into the industry, so we are always designing new product and we are launching, and we know
Yes.
what problems we are facing in the market.
Hmm.
In India, manufacturing is little difficult. Still, government has to do a lot of things.
Yes, sir.
To find a small part, even a small component, in India is very difficult. So
Yes, sir.
if anybody is planning, nothing is impossible, but you have to work on different aspect of your product and try to find the sourcing of, as an engineer, you are expert in one field, but a product require expertise of various different types of fields, right? So you have to collaborate with different types of industry, get their expertise, and then final product is made, and everybody benefit from them.
Yes, sir.
One company if manufactures something, there is a from the die casting to mold to final casing manufacturer, then there is a packaging manufacturer, so everybody benefit from one manufacturing firm.
Yes, sir. Absolutely correct. Because sir, even though in college we are planning for interdisciplinary project, so that they can different branches can combine and can do, so they can learn different perspectives also.
Like our student, they can go people, what happens, many times students go for very 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 sophisticated product, but sophisticated products require a lot more time
Yes.
and effort to actually, and lot more expertise to actually complete that particular product and make it final product. So instead of going for a very complicated product, it's better if you go for real products which is available in the market, and making it more better.
Yes. Yes.
Or if you have a real consumer product which is entirely new, then you can put your efforts and into it, like how Rahul did. You can put the effort into it and make it as a final product.
Yes, sir. Correct. Yes. So
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
While
I would like to thank Rahul for sharing his product with all of us. And since all good things come to an end, and the same can be said about our session today, I, Kritika Khandelwal of Team ESL, would like to extend a hearty vote of thanks to our guest speaker, Mr. Sikandar Manihar sir, for sparing his time and enlightening us about fundamentals of product research and development in a way never before. Today's webinar was full of knowledge and interesting things. It gave deep insights into the topic and also revealed some interesting facts. I'm pretty sure the precious knowledge our esteemed speaker shared with all of us will definitely help us in the future. Now I would like to give special thanks to our management for always supporting us. A big thank you to our in-charge principal, Dr. Azulekar sir, head of VSET Texas Instruments Innovation Lab, Dr. Vikas Gupta sir, and our faculty advisor, Professor Chandan Kulgaonkar sir, and Joyce Dakana ma'am for their consistent and never-ending support. I would like to thank the ESL members for organizing this session. Last but not the least, a big thank you to all the students present here for showing interest and making it a huge success. Thank you so much, everyone. Also, the feedback link has been shared in the chat box. Please fill it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.